enJOY the elf. And I can't wait to enjoy Orange this holiday season. There's so much to see and do in Orange County. I left Santa's workshop because Orange is so full of holiday joy. I'm overjoyed to get out and do my holiday shopping and eat all the yummy food at the local restaurants. It's so important to support the hard-working business owners here in Orange. They're the ones who make this community so joyful. Grab your family and friends. Go for a joyride and check out all that Orange has to offer.